Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad tousif. I want to just demonstrate you about soil product. This is a soil product which is very confusing sometimes. So just I want to demonstrate you about something very easy. You can use a door access with the push button, or you can put a lock, pin codes. So I will tell you how to connect this one. This is a little bit hard for me because I'm the only one. Okay, you see this the push button. This coming it's coming green and purple wire from the push button. So it has to connect with the soil finger machine with the purple one, the green purple with the purple one. Okay, first I'll tell you about the push button. This cable is coming from the adapter. Sometimes people get confused about the positive and negative, so I'll tell you. You see these lines, long lines, this is the positive one, and what is written about the product and these things on the other wire, it is the negative one. So with the positive you have to connect the push button red wire to the positive wire of the adapter, and then the positive wire of the finger machine. This positive wire for the finger is also red, so both the red wires you have to connect with the positive one. Okay, now we'll come to the negative wire. The push button, there is one blue and one black. So this blue black will go to the negative of the adapter and black wire of the finger machine. Okay, this very easy like this. If you are installing in a place where you cannot understand, just watch my movie. It will be very easy for you to understand, because I didn't connect other wires except one wire like this one. Okay, now you understand. This push button, the red one is going for the positive, and it's a red one with the positive, and from the finger machine also red one with the positive. With the negative you have to connect the blue, black and the black. So 3 wires for the negative and 2 wires for the positive. So this third one, 2 wires coming from the push button, 1 wire is coming to the finger machine, and this is complete for the push button and for the finger machine. Now we'll come for the access control. By the way, if you want to add more push buttons, just tear some wire from here, connect the other wires the same colors, and you can connect up to 6 push buttons. Depends on the distance. Maybe 15 to 20 meters you can connect. More than that there will be a problem. And connect with the it's better to use cat 6 cable, Belden cat 6 cable. Okay, now we will move to the access control. You see it's locked. So with the access this one with the magnetic lock, you must use a different adapter. See, there is an adapter that is going for the push button and for the machine. It has to be separate. And for the magnetic lock you have to use a separate adapter. The negative wire, the positive from the adapter. Okay, by the way, this magnetic lock, it has to be 1 ampere, and this soil machine, it has to be like 2 amperes. For the adapter I'm talking about 12 volts 2 ampere, 12 volts 1 ampere. Okay, now this from the adapter, the direct wire is coming inside to the positive. Is going to the is going to the V positive. It's not clear, I don't know why. Okay, I think you understand this. The last one is the positive one, and this one, with that one there is a negative, and that is going for the machine, the purple. That's all. There is no connection for the magnetic lock, only the power, and the negative power is coming to the purple wire of the soil machine. Okay, this is the purple one. It's white purple. It's going directly to the negative, and for positive is going directly to the adapter, and from the adapter, the negative from the adapter is going inside the machine for the white color. I think it's very easy, as I showed you. If you want to do this work in your house or company, you can install it. After installing, just watch my movie. I'll explain you brief explanation in the end. If you're using a push button, with the push button, this is see, it's very beautiful blue light. If you open, it's coming the red one, that light like this. So once it's open, you can see I can move it out. Okay, from the push button there is a red wire which is going directly to the positive end of the adapter, and red wire coming from the machine to the adapter. This is the power. This is the power for the adapters, positive end. For the negative, from the push button there is blue and black is going for the negative wire, and the black one from the machine. Okay, I think this is done. And purple from the machine to green and purple of the push button. I think this finish. For this one, it's a looping. It's not a looping actually. This positive one, the positive wire is going inside the positive. Okay, and the negative is going inside the machine itself, and the machine itself is going purple. Okay, this is basically negative. The purple one is negative. Yeah, and from the adapter, which is coming directly negative power, it's going inside the machine with the white color. Okay, I think you understand what I want to explain here. Actually, I put all my night solving this problem. This first time I'm installing myself soil system, because I get one work with the company, so they want a soil. So just I configure now for my records and for helping other IT people. I just make a small movie. Anyway, okay, thank you. Hope it will help you. Bye.